Hi book friends. This book is called Construction Site Sounds. Do you like tough trucks? Yeah, the tough trucks that you see in construction sites. Well, this book is about all the sounds that they make. Let's open the book and get started. Here we go. Crunch, bang. A rock breaker smashes up the ground to clear it. Let's listen to the rock breaker. It looks like the rock breaker has a pointy end. Do you see it right there? And it could actually break through rocks. That's amazing. An excavator pulls down an old building with a big crash. Let's hear it. Oh, that must be so loud. This is the excavator, and it has a big claw. And it can grab onto walls and demolish them. Wow, that is a strong machine, just like the rock breaker. Now it's time to build new houses. A noisy digger scoops up the rubble and takes it away. Let's listen to the digger. The digger has a big scoop that can push the rubble away, like dirt or like bricks and pipes. Wow, that is a very useful machine. A mixer truck rumbles as it pours lots of concrete into the ground. You need lots of cement. This is a cement to build new houses. And this mixer holds the cement. And through this funnel, it comes out. Check it out. Isn't that cool? Fox is shoveling sand into the cement mixer. Do you see Fox with the shovel? Let's listen to that shovel. Oh yeah. There's lots of that going on in a construction site. Let's listen to it again. So the fox is shoveling sand into a cement mixer. This is a cement mixer right there. Oh, and I see a little ladybug there. And Hippo is using the cement to stick bricks together. The house wall is growing. Oh, let's listen to that. Wow, do you see this tool here? It helps Hippo spread the cement to the bricks. And look, Hippo is building a wall with the bricks and the cement. Let's listen to that again. I think if I worked at a construction site, I'd like to do what Hippo is doing. Yeah, work with cement to build walls with bricks. That looks like fun. Time to build the top of the house now. A squeaky crane lifts the rafters up. Do you see the crane? This is the crane right here. Let's listen to it. Whoa, you see Fox is driving the crane. And this is the roof part right here. So this hook can hold the roof part and lift it all the way up to where it needs to go. The crane is a very, very important vehicle on a construction site. And way up high, Tiger uses a drill to fix them in place. Do you see Tiger right here? And this is the drill. Let's listen to the drill. Oh, wow. That's a very loud sound. Let's listen to that again. Wow, that is a very important job. What Tiger is doing with the drill and the screws. You see the toolbox? Lots of tools in there. Can you hear Giraffe sawing the wooden beams? This is Giraffe, and that's the saw. Let's listen to the saw. So the saw can cut through wood. You see all these wood beams here? Yeah, the saw is very sharp and can cut through wood very easily. But it does take a lot of hard work. That's right. Bang, bang, bang. Hippo is hammering the roof tiles on. The house is nearly ready. There goes Hippo with the hammer. That's the hammer. Let's hear the hammer go. Wow, that's a lot of work, Hippo. You see the roof? They have to hammer it down. Ooh, do you hear another sound other than the hammer? Do you hear the little birdies? Aw, they must be so happy. I love the little birdie sounds. Wow, and that's the end of construction site sounds. Yay! I hope you liked this book. And did you have a favorite vehicle? Was it the rock breaker? That's a really cool vehicle. How it cracks. Or did you like the excavator that can demolish big buildings down? Or was it the digger that can keep everything nice and tidy in a construction site? Or maybe you like the mixer truck. What other vehicles did we learn about? Oh, well, right here we saw Fox shoveling sand into the cement mixer. I like that sound. And also Hippo scraping away. Yeah, that's my favorite job right there. And we also learned about the crane. Yes. And the tools like the drill. And the saw. And the bang bang of the hammers. Yeah, I also like the bang bang of the hammer. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this book and that you learned something new from a construction site. Until next time, bye book friends.